Hey YouTube, so today I'll be showing you how to send packets to a specific IP address using the socket module in Python. So obviously first just create a file, I don't know, packet sender.py, whoops, .py. Alright, you gotta import a couple things, import socket, random, and then time. Then to start off, create a variable, whatever you want, and then do socket.socket, and then socket.afinet. Oh my gosh! All right, and then socket.sock underscore dgram. Jeez, I can't type. All right, yeah, and what this does is opens a new socket, and then next we'll create the packet. We'll just label it bytes. So bytes equals, and this is when we use the random module, so random dot underscore urandom, and then do 1024, which I believe is the bit number for the size of the packet. Yeah, you can make it whatever you want. I choose 1024 because I believe that's the standard. You know, that's what usually that's usually the size that packets are sent, and they're usually sent between about 1,000 and 1,500. So that creates the packet, and then we need to create a variable for the IP we'll be sending the packets to. So go IP equals, and then take a raw input of I don't know, I guess we could just say target IP, and then alright, oh, and the port number, because we got to send it through a specific port, so that'll just be an input of I don't know, just port. And then what else? Oh yeah, we need the duration of the time we'll be sending the packet. This is when we use the time module, so that'll be input of number of seconds to send packets. Oops. Alright, and then oh yeah, and then the timeout. So this uses the time module also again. So the time.time right here, that returns time in a floating point number, I believe, in seconds. So then you just add the duration of whatever the user said, and then it'll be used in the while loop, so you'll see. And then we need a rolling sum number. We'll just make it send equals 0. So then for the while loop, where it sends it, do while true, and then if time.time, which is, so if the current time is greater than the timeout that the user set, then we break the loop because we only want it for a specific amount of time. Gets equal to else pass. You don't really need it, but I'll put it. And then do sock. So this is when we actually send it. So sock.send to send the bytes variable, and then a comma, and then takes a tuple right here, IP and port. You could usually enter these manually, but since obviously we created these inputs up here, we'll just enter them right there. And then so what's next? Oh yeah, and then because that sent equals sent plus 1, this will be able to keep track how many packets we've sent so far. And then finally, each time we will print sent blank amount of packets to blank on I guess I'll put through port whatever they choose, and then I guess we'll fill those in using sent IP port. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. I'll test it out for you guys so you can see. Let me open up command prompt real quick. I guess I'll try www.facebook.com. I'll try it on that. Alright, so there's the IP. So we're just gonna run this. Alright, so there's that, and then just enter the IP for Facebook. It would be 31.13.66.96, and then the port. Don't use any ports usually under 1,000 because those are usually reserved for specific things. So anything over 1,000 and you're pretty safe. Like, I don't know, you can do 880, whatever. Number of seconds, I wouldn't send it for too long, especially to someone as big as Facebook.com, because it could be considered flooding. So I'll just do it for 2 seconds. You'll see. So there you have it. It sent a total of 282 packets to their IP address through port 880. So there it is. Alright guys, well, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below, and I'll see if I can get back to you.